Hello, today in this video I will guide you how to create parentage listing. Like this is a listing and it have two variations. One is size and the other is like standard size and large size. We can even have double theme, size, color and quantity, something like item package quantity. So we can have any type of variation themes and we can create it just simply doing two-step process. Let's proceed. We need to go on account. This is the account, like you can see it have two products and both are stand-alone products. We will combine them because there is only difference in this product is color. Initially we listed them separately to get some reviews. Now we have reviews and now we will combine them. There are two processes and I will be explaining one process which is called reverse feed process. You need to go on inventory reports. You can have it by menu bar, and here in the reports you can have inventory reports. Then you need to click on drop down and category listing report. This will generate it automatically in just a couple of moments. If your account is small, it will be generated right away. And if you have thousands of products, it can take up to 10 minutes. So I'm refreshing it. It will immediately appear here. It will be available for download. I will download and guide you how to create parentage. Okay, now it's available to download. I'm downloading it. And this is called category listing report. It will have all the data of the listings. We will open it. And it's in Excel format. Here are both the products. It has some hidden columns. First of all, I will unhide them so we can perform all the things in the right way. And this is LND brand name. So these have two ASINs. I am adding the parentage for them. We just need to add parent SKU like this. This is a shower caddy. I will be adding its name like we can add any name XYZ, but I'm adding shower caddy parent. Okay, and obviously it will have same brand name. We can do either partial update or full update. Partial is okay because we don't need to put all the values for all the cells in partial update. So I will go with partial update and you can even go with it. And then we will be adding title to the parentage. Obviously, we will not add any color preference in the parent title. And here item name, title and item name both are the same things. We'll add same value, manufacturer. So we can write our brand name as a manufacturer for all of them. Moving forward, we don't have any ASIN here. We will not add, and the item type is obviously shower caddies. We just added this and we will need to copy the item SKU because we will need it in the parentage section because it will ask you to give parent SKU because these are the childs and we will be adding the value child here. And this one is actually parent because we added parent SKU in the third row. So we don't have any parent SKU because it's a parent. So parent don't need to add any parent SKU. You will add parent SKU in front of child because we want to link this child to this parent. And what is the relationship? Relationship is this is variation and this is variation. So remember, parent SKU and the relationship type, both the cells will stay empty for the parentage. And variation theme, as we have only color difference, both are pack of 5 and they only have one difference, which is color. So we will go with color. And this color will go for all, like variations and the parentage, because this will the variation theme of parent. Then we can have child under this in that exact theme. So metal type, that's all. We don't need to put values to all the cells. What we will do, we can add the values to the red cells. It is something essential. It might give errors. Sometimes it do process without having any errors, even if we not add any value to the red cells, if we're doing partial update. But you must prefer to add values to all the red cells to get rid from any error, because whenever you get some errors, it will be complicated for you to process your file. So we have to give all the values here, but Right at the moment, I'm not giving any values. I will process it in front of you, and then we will analyze is it worked or not. We have to give these values: supply declared, dangerous goods not applicable, and is it have battery? No, it's not have battery. That's it. Save. Boom, you are done with it. Now you have to go on your account. We will click on add product via upload, and we will upload the same file here. Submit the product. We just submitted, and this is our product. I'm showing again. Both are standalone. This is actually a new account. We just launched our product, and you can see these only two products and both are standalone. Now you can see they are showing separately. This one have 6 review and the black one have 14 review. Our ultimate goal is to combine both. If someone is coming on our black one, he can have an option to buy silver, and the same is the way for the silver one. And the other benefit will be the reviews will be combined. You can search this brand name LND pack of 5 shower caddy, and you will see they both are combined whenever you are seeing this video. I will attach the link of this under the product so you can see how things work. It take only a couple of moments to combine them. If you have any questions related to Amazon, or if you are facing any issue in catalog management, you can ask the question under the comments. And if you want to grow your business, you can hire us for PPC management and any consultation. I will be available to guide you and to take your business to the next height. Bye.